Earlier today, I replaced this pressure reduction valve. It was super easy, probably the easiest plumbing thing I have ever done in my life. Here's a close look at the valve so you can make sure that it is the same as the model that you're trying to replace. I bought this off Amazon. It was about half the price from what I could find on the big box stores. Came the next day, so I was really happy about that. And one thing that wasn't obvious on the product description, this actually does come with the nuts and the piece that you need to sweat onto the pipe. But if you're just replacing the part, then you won't need those anyway. If you're adding it to a house, then you will need those parts, but it does come with that. Also the rubber grommets. The installation was really easy. You just shut off the water. Now I have a bypass, so I shut these off as well. You unscrew the nuts, pull it out. Not a whole lot of water came out because it's just what water was in this pipe here. I put the new valve in, and then I did use some pipe dope. I probably didn't need to, but the only reason you'd really use pipe dope is just to help the threads spin a bit more smoothly, but the threads were fine. The seal itself though comes from the rubber grommet. After I put this in, I turned the water back on. I tested my water pressure and it was by default at 55 psi. But yeah, it's working great. It's an exact replica of my old valve. I wish all plumbing projects were as easy to replace as this was. Really happy.